everyone! In the last video, we went over how to create lines with magnet gel. Today, I'll show you how to use all of the basic techniques we've learned so far to create 3 different nail looks. For these looks, the magnets you'll need are the dual-ended magnet or a cylinder and rectangular magnet. I'm also using the high-powered rectangular magnet for one of the looks. For the first look, we'll do a classic French but with a magnet tip. On your prep nail, apply a coat of your base color. Here, I'm using Leaf Gel 123. Once that's cured, draw on your French line using your magnet gel. Try not to make this layer too thick, but make sure you have enough for the effect to show up when you magnetize it. Once you're happy with your French line, take your magnet and activate the particles similar to a velvet look. Go ahead and cure that to lock that in and then top coat to finish. For the second look, we're going to do a cube plaid design. On a prep nail, apply a coat of your base color. You can choose whatever color you like as a foundation base, but keep in mind that the color will change a bit based on the magnet gel colors that you're going to lay on top. So it's best to do this look with a darker base color for that reason. Once you've cured your foundation layer, pick out 3 to 4 magnet gel colors. I like using magnet gels that are really strong in pigment. Since the particles will only be in a straight line, you really want that color to be strong enough to show up on your base. Here I'm using From the Nail magnetic gels. Choose one of your colors, and for the first layer, apply it only on the top half of the nail, being sure to swipe it on the nail up and down rather than left to right. Activate the particles by moving the magnet from each side like a velvet nail. Once they are activated, hover your magnet directly above the nail horizontally and hold it in place for a few seconds. Pull away swiftly and you should see your line show up. If you don't like how your line came out, reset the particles by swiping through with your brush and try again. It's better to do this in one confident go rather than trying to tinker with the line afterwards. Repeat this process for as many horizontal lines as you want on the nail. If you're having trouble getting a clearly defined line, try using the high-powered magnet and getting as close as you can to the nail without touching it. Flash cure it into place with the magnet still hovering over the nail. For the vertical lines, apply the magnet gel to half of the nail on either side. Then activate the particles and, just like the horizontal lines, hover the magnet vertically above the nail and pull away swiftly after a few seconds. Continue to add lines as you see fit and experiment with different layering to see how the magnet colors interact with one another. I like to put the lightest color on top so that it does not get lost in the layers of the previous colors. Once you're happy with the look, go ahead and add top coat and seal everything in. For our third and final look, we'll do a galaxy-esque look with alternating magnet colors. For this look, I like using multi-dimensional magnet gels that have more than one color present in them. Kokoist has a great selection of these kinds of magnet gels. Start off with a coat of black as your base layer. If you've watched the previous videos, you'll remember that black bases make magnets look a lot more vivid since there's a greater contrast. After that's cured, take one of your magnet gels and apply a coat on top of your nail. Collect the particles towards the center, and then using the circle or cylinder magnet, approach one corner of the nail with the magnet to start to carve out the curved shape. You can see I'm taking my time in one spot and then swiftly moving the magnet to almost draw out the curve that I want on the nail. Repeat this on the other side of the nail and touch it up as you go until you're happy with the look. I'm going to repeat similar steps but with a different magnet color. Apply your second color to either side of the curved line you created and repeat the steps earlier to make another line. I'm going to repeat this multiple times until I filled up the entire nail. You can do as many lines as you want and carve out the lines however looks best to you until you're happy with it. Once that's done, it already looks cool as it is, but if you wanted to add that galaxy feel to it, you can also go ahead and add some little stars to complete the look. There is so much fun you can have with different base colors, magnet colors, and patterns using magnet gel, so I really encourage you all to explore and test out different techniques. If there's any other looks you'd like to see me break down, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to try it out. In the next video of this course, I'll be breaking down the beautiful chrome magnet nail look. Thank you so much for watching, and if you try any of these looks, I would love to see them. Tag me on Instagram or TikTok at miso.nails. See you all in the next video. Good luck and have fun.